Hello everyone, my name is Attila Hanek. Some of you might already know me from my previous collaborations with Production Music Live, such as the Ableton Push 2, the Ableton Session View, or the Analog Meets Digital Masterclasses. In this course, I would like to invite you on my journey to build this amazing home studio from the ground up. So first things first, who is this course for? Well, if you're a musician, a producer, or if you work with music in any capacity whatsoever that requires for you to have a home studio, be it as simple as a laptop with a pair of headphones or as big as an almost professional full home recording studio, you will benefit from this course. In the following few hours, we'll go through the entire process, starting from building the room itself, through setting up the desk and all the equipment, all the way to testing and fine-tuning every aspect. So in this course, you will learn about studio hardware and software, wiring and cable management, everything there is to know about patch bays. There is an entire section about how to set up studio monitors, including mounting options, stereo field alignment, subwoofer placement, calibrating your subwoofer's level, and setting its phase switch properly. And since you asked and we listened, we collaborated with an acoustic expert who will teach you all about studio acoustics while debunking some serious myths about acoustic treatment. You will learn about MIDI setups, audio routings, mixers and preamps, SonarWorks calibration, audio interfaces, and using synths in your setup. We will discuss studios for different budgets and we'll learn how to maintain our sanctuary. Towards the end, there will be an entire Q&A session where I answer your questions. We'll work a lot, but it will be worth it. You'll see me make diabolical mistakes and face some unique challenges. You'll get to know me pretty well. But ultimately, together we'll learn to improvise and conquer all these challenges, and as a bonus, you'll learn how to save money while doing it all. Seriously, if 5 years ago when I started building my own studio, if somebody had given me the information that's inside this course, they would have saved me a lot of money in addition to the almost 5 years worth of learning, trial and error, and having to figure it out on my own. So are you ready? Let's dive in.